Hi everyone, Solomon here. Today, I'd like to introduce to us SO4 Time Manager. SO4 Time Manager is a complete activity management system developed using Microsoft Access. This project was designed to help users plan, record, review, validate, and report daily activities in a structured and accountable way. The system divides a full 24-day hour into 48 time slots, with each slot representing 30 minutes. Each time slot stores activity details, review notes, validation status, and support documents. Now the problem. Before the development of SO4 Time Manager, users commonly faced difficulty tracking activity throughout the entire day, inconsistent activity records, no clear accountability or approval process, manual reporting that consumed time, inability to attach evidence to activity records. These problems made productivity tracking unreliable and inefficient. Now our solution. So4 Time Manager provides a structured 24-hour activity framework, 48 fixed 30-minute interval per day, built-in review and validation, attached support for evidence, and automated report for analysis. This ensures accuracy, accountability, and efficiency. Target users. The system is suitable for students tracking study schedules, professionals monitoring work productivity, supervisors reviewing staff activities, institutions enforcing accountability, individuals managing personal time, and work-related activities. Now our value proposition. So4 Activity delivers value by making time usage visible, improving productivity awareness, supporting supervision and assessment, reducing manual record keeping, and providing professional reports. Now let's delve straight to my So4 Time Manager. The Time Manager menu is divided into three. We have log time, alter items, and then view reports. Okay, so before we go to the last two, let me go to view report to explain something for us to understand. When we open view report here, this is items I've entered already. So we see that we have item ID, activity, that is a time frame, and then activity itself. Validation, so here to validate the item, and then the date here indicates the date on which you schedule the activity to be performed. A review comment here, that is to review the status of the activity and then provide comments. And the doc allow you to add attachment to the activities or support to the work done. Now before you begin with, you see that we have date selecting from 1. 1 is aligned with 4 o'clock to 4:30 a.m. That is early dawn, early in the morning. When you get that, we populate that to be 1. Then 2 is 4:31 to 5 a.m. Then 3 is 5:1 to 5:30. Then 4 is 5:31 to 6 a.m. Then 6:1 to 6:30, that is 5. And then 6 is 6:31 to 7 a.m. Now, so it follows same sequence. Till the 48 is exhausted. So we said our first day, which began on 26th of December, it's here. This is the end, and that is 48 time slot, which is 3:31 to 4 a.m. and that is on 26th December 2025. So when you begin, then 1 to 4:30 a.m. on the next day, which is 27th here, as you can see, 27th here, begin with 1 again. So meaning it will begin with 1. So when the time slot runs from 1 to 48, which is 30 minutes each within an hour, and then located in 24 hours, then it begins again 1. So when it runs on 27th to 48 again, so it runs to 48 again, which is 3:30, 31 to 4 o'clock a.m. again, and that marks the end of 27th December 2025. Then it begins with 1 again, which is 4 o'clock to 4:30, which begins on 28th December. So it means this is a repetition on daily basis. So each day you have to populate the activities that are to be done. So here we've left the activity empty. We will go back to where the activities can be entered so that we will update them. So having gone through this report, one thing about the report is also we have the date here. So if you right click on the date and you want to view on a particular day, the activity list, you only go and filter is equal to, use is equal to, you select the date on which you want to view the report. If you select 28th, then it should bring everything on 28th. So you see that 28th is brought 1, which is 4 o'clock to 4:30, begins with 28th December. So now we have 1 associating with 4 o'clock to 4:30, meaning that mostly people wake up around 4 o'clock and want to plan around that area to the following day. So if you think that this would not best suit you, you can go to edit to actually edit the time frame so that it will be commensurate with your personal time. Now let's go back to logging of time. So now having gone through the report, let's see how this is populated. So when you open the interface of logging of time, this is how it is. So you have to select the time here, and then you select each, you select time, you enter the activity, the first activity you would like to do at 4:30, 1 to 4:30. So if you need to pray first, you say be pray. You can say, let's say 30, prayer. Now you've actually indicated a date, the time, then the review and validation, you put that aside for later. So now you're going to indicate the date. So in this case, let's say 30th. Then here the attached means maybe you got some revelations or you got some support document to attach to the file to confirm the work done. So to be able to confirm the work done, you have to attach that file to this as evidence for proof of work. You haven't done that, then this is done. The next form is alter. Alter allows you to make changes to what you've done so far. So the file we've entered, if you realize that this file will need to be changed, you only have to filter it, say date is equal to 30th, and it brings everything on 30th. So this is what we entered on 30th. This is it here. We indicated here no review yet. Then if you want to view on a report to filter what took place on 30th, you do same here. So this is it. So guys, this brings us to the end of the introduction. And then if you want more functionalities to be added, don't forget to leave a comment below. Or better still, you can follow the link below to download the free version. Thank you. Thank you.